Chiliz value equivalent to 240,897 rands a coin. The present cost range 240,111, 25E8 and 28. The earlier day close 250,120. The change was 0.223, so 89%. Opposite rate ZAR to CHZ. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 250,399 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.525, while low cost 250,399. The found the middle value of cost 279.47. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2,463. Change for September 16%. Chiliz gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 2.9463 rands. Exorbitant cost 365.69, while low cost 2.9463. The found the middle value of cost 3.418. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 340.77. Change for October 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at 340.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.4020, while low cost 340.77. The found the middle value of cost 317,605. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 3.9645. Change for November 16%. Chiliz gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at 3.9645 rands. Exorbitant cost 416,770, while low cost 319,645. The found the middle value of cost 4.443. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 4.710. Change for December 10.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 14,710 rands. Exorbitant cost 4,931, while low cost 4.237. The found the middle value of cost 4,716. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 463.84. Change for January 6.1%. Chiliz gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 40,384 rands. Excessive cost 5,108, while low cost 443.34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 470,349. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 417,671. Change for February 2.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 417,671 rands. Excessive cost 528.24, while low cost 458.44. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 418,243. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 480,434. Change for spring 16%. Chiliz figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 480,434 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.047, while low cost 480,811. The found the middle value of cost 470,440. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 470,109. Change for April 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 470,109 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.213, while low cost 440,513. The found the middle value of cost 470,675. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 478.63. Change for May 16%. Chiliz estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 470,863 rands. Exorbitant cost 520.15, while low cost 451,209. The found the middle value of cost 484.25. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 418,612. Change for June 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 418,612 rands. Excessive cost 5,655, while low cost 418,612. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 520,465. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 524.81. Change for July 8%. Chiliz conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 524.81 rands. Excessive cost 524.81, while low cost 4.387. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,8,751. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 416,653. Change for August 11.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 4.653 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.714, while low cost 4.49 and 48. They found the middle value of cost 4.7912. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 4.8331. Change for September 3.6%. Chilliz estimate for October 2025. To start with cost at 4.8331 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.999 and 88, while low cost 4.8331. They found the middle value of cost 5.179. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 5.6064. Change for October 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 5.6064 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.0948, while low cost 5.2974. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.6737. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 5.69 at 61. Change for November 1.6%. Chilliz figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 5.69 at 61 rands. Excessive cost 6.1923, while low cost 5.80 They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.70 Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 5.788 and 72. Change for December 1.6%. Chilliz cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 5.78 rands. Excessive cost 5.8752, while low cost 5.1964. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.15649. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 5.49 and 8. Change for January 5.1%. Chilliz conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at 5.4908 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.74 and 67, while low cost 5.4908. They found the middle value of cost 6.84. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 63053. Change for February 14.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for walk 2026. To start with cost at 6.53 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.9261, while low cost 6.53. They found the middle value of cost 6.377. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 7.1541. Change for spring 16%. Chilliz estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 7.141 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.0783, while low cost 7.141. They found the middle value of cost 8.0477. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 8.4844. Change for April 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 8.4844 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.2036, while low cost 8.0168. They found the middle value of cost 8.